In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the color palette in your WordPress website. Whether you're seeking a more personalized touch for your site or simply yearning to refresh its aesthetic, adjusting the color palette can serve as a crucial first step. Let's unfold the process in a straightforward manner, ensuring even if you're a novice to WordPress, you'll feel equipped to make these changes confidently by the end of this guide. First things first, access your WordPress dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to do so. Once you're logged into your dashboard, you'll arrive at the home screen. Here, you'll notice a myriad of options in the left-hand menu. To start customizing your site appearance, we'll need to navigate to the Appearance section. Hover over Appearance and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Customize. Clicking this will take you to the WordPress Customizer, a hub for various elements of design control on your site. Once you're in the WordPress Customizer, you'll see several customizable areas, but for editing the color palette, we're interested in the section labeled Colors. This is typically located toward the top of the customization options. Click on Colors, and you will be given access to a range of color settings for your website. Here, depending on your specific theme, you'll be able to modify an array of color settings, including the background color, header color, and link colors, among others. As you navigate through the color options, you'll notice a color picker or, in some cases, predefined color swatches. The color picker is particularly handy as it allows you to adjust and preview endless color options effortlessly. Simply click on the box or circle to bring up the color picker, and then find the hue you want for any particular section of your site. Keep your brand or the tone you wish to convey in mind as you experiment with different shades. For consistency and visual cohesion, try to limit the number of colors you use. Typically, 2 to 3 main colors work well. Once you've decided on the perfect shades, you may notice an additional CSS area at the very bottom of the customization panel. This section allows you to input custom CSS for more precise control over your color scheme or for tweaking elements not directly adjustable by the standard controls. This step is entirely optional and best suited for those who have a little more experience with CSS. After you've made all your desired changes and you're satisfied with the new look, it's time to save your work. Look toward the top of the customizer and click the Publish button to ensure all your color modifications are saved and live on your site. A brief processing period will follow, but once it completes, your site will be sporting its freshly updated color palette. And there you have it. That's how you can edit the color palette on your WordPress website. Remember, colors play a vital role in making your website visually appealing and can significantly affect user interaction. So, take your time finding the right palette that best represents your site, and until next time, happy designing!